Hello class 2, good morning. How are you? Fine? Okay, so class 2, in our last class what we have started? We have started chapter 3 of grammar book, and the name of the chapter is Nouns, Common and Proper. The name of the chapter is Nouns, Common and Proper. Okay, this is the name of the chapter, and as I have explained you that day that there are many nouns in general, those are termed as common noun, whereas if there is a particular name to the common noun, then it is termed as proper noun. And here on page number 15, what did we do that day? We have underlined, we have marked the special names here, and the sentences were Mary had a pet named Dory, Mr. Das is our class teacher, Panaji is the capital of Goa, Ravi is going to the zoo this Sunday with his friends. Children's Day is celebrated in the month of November. Okay. So, what did we do in this? We have underlined, we have marked the special names. And why we have marked the special names? So that we could know that कि जो nouns होते हैं वो common भी होते हैं और वो proper भी होते हैं. The nouns that are proper or the nouns that are special are called proper nouns. Okay, and we have done we have read this table on page number 15 just to differentiate between common noun and proper noun. Like girl and boy are common noun, whereas Prachi and Harsh are proper noun. City is a common noun, but New Delhi is the proper noun. Okay, and after that on page number 16, in this yellow box, the definition was also given, and the definition, which is the general name of a person, place, animal or thing, is a common noun, whereas the special name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a proper noun. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. And after that on page number 16, we have marked the naming words. Okay, so that day we did 2 exercises, and today also we are going to do some exercises that are here on the board. Open page number 17, chapter 3, page number 17. See the A exercise. See the A exercise, and the question is, put these words in the correct columns. Here in the yellow box there are 4, 8, 12 words. Okay, 12 words are there. This we have to distribute in the common noun as well as in the proper noun section. So we have to divide these words in 2 groups. ये जो भी words है उसको हम जो common noun होएगा उसको common noun में लिखेंगे, and the words that are proper will be written in the proper noun column. Okay, so let us read the words first. सबसे पहले words को read करते हैं. Can you see? The first word is Canada. Look at your book and read it out. Canada. The second word is rhinoceros. common noun column. RHINOCEROS, rhinoceros. RHINOCEROS, rhinoceros. Now the next word is Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is a special name. That's why we will write it in the proper noun column. Bay of Bengal. B-A-Y, Bay of Bengal. Now next is 1001 Arabian Nights. It is again a special name. Actually, Arabian Nights is a story. 1001 Arabian Nights is a story's name. So it is also proper noun. So we will write here in proper noun column 1001 Arabian Nights. Class 2, you have to write with the teacher. You should try to write with the teacher. Now next is cricket. Cricket is a common name, so it will be written in the column proper common noun. Next is May. May is the name of a month. So it is special. So it will be written in proper noun column. M-A-Y, May. Next is singer. Singer is a common name. Singer may be any person. Singer कोई भी हो सकता है. So it is a common noun. Next is ocean. Ocean also can be any ocean. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Next is Olympic Games. Olympic Games is special name. So it will be written in proper noun column. Next is week. Week is a common noun. W-E-E-K, week. Next is Aditya. Aditya is a special name because it's a name of a boy. Aditya. Next is Eiffel Tower. Again, Eiffel Tower is a special name because it is the name of a building. Eiffel Tower. So here it is the exercise. Please note it down fast. I am again repeating it. In common noun column, we have written rhinoceros, cricket, ocean, singer, week. Whereas in proper noun column, we have written Canada, Bay of Bengal, 1001 Arabian Nights, May, Olympic Games, Aditya, Eiffel Tower. Note it down first. If you will note it down fast, I may go for the next exercise. So is your work done? Class 2? After this, what you need to do? You need to go to the next exercise, that is the B question question on the same page, page number 17, and it is write a common noun for each proper noun. Okay. Now look here, here is the exercise. Okay, see, this is the B exercise of the same page. B exercise of the same page, and what is the question? The question is we have to write a common noun for each proper noun. These are 10 proper nouns and we have to write common noun for them. Common noun for them. Okay, so अभी क्या है, स्पेशल नेम दिए हुए हैं. अब आपको ये लिखना है कि वो जो स्पेशल नेम है वो किसका है. Whether it is the name of a city, whether it is the name of any special place, any special day, any special month. Okay, there are many common nouns. So we have to specify that Ahmedabad क्या है? The Holy Bible is what? What is Indian Ocean? Okay. Who can be Mrs. Anandi Sharma? Okay. What is Christmas? Who is Tom? What is September? What is India Gate? What is Tuesday? And what is Indonesia? अगर मैं आपसे ये बोलूं that Camelin or Apsara. What is Camelin or Apsara? You can write yes. It's a company. वो कंपनी है. या फिर आप ये भी लिख सकते हो कि it's a pencil. Likewise, what is Ahmedabad? What is Janjgir? Janjgir क्या है? Janjgir एक city है. Likewise, Chhattisgarh is a state and likewise, Ahmedabad is also a city. Ahmedabad क्या है? City. So city is a common noun and Ahmedabad is the proper noun. Now next is the Holy Bible. What is the Holy Bible? It is the holy book. It is the holy book. So write Holy, holy, B-O-O-K, book, holy book. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean किसका नाम है? Indian Ocean is the name of an ocean. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Number 4, Mrs. Anandi Sharma. Mrs. Anandi Sharma कौन हो सकती है? She can be any lady. She can be any lady, or you can also write a woman. Okay. And if suppose हम यहाँ पर कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर डॉक्टर भी लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ टीचर भी लिख सकते हैं, isn't it? Because it is the special name. It can belong to anybody. So here I am writing L-A-D-Y, lady. Mrs. Anandi Sharma is a lady. Number 5 is Christmas. What is Christmas? Christmas is a festival. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. Christmas is a festival. Now Theo and Tom. Who is Tom? Tom may be any boy, or he may be any man also. Okay, and it may be any pet also. Okay, so here I am writing Tom is a boy. B-O-Y, boy. September. What is September? Do you know what is September? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the 12 months of the year. So September is a month. September is a month. M-O-N-T-H. Here in the exercise what we are doing? Proper nouns are given. We are writing a common noun for them. हम उनके लिए एक common noun लिख रहे हैं. Okay? You need to write from here. ये आप नहीं लिखेंगे. You need to write from here. City, holy book, ocean, lady, festival, boy, month, and we have to write 3 more. Now next is India Gate. What is India Gate? India Gate is a monument. India Gate is a monument. Okay. There are many monuments in India. जो भी old buildings है जिसकी देख रेख गवर्नमेंट करती है. ओके, उन्हें हम मॉन्यूमेंट्स कहते हैं. इंडिया गेट इज अ मॉन्यूमेंट. इसी तरह से ताजमहल इज ऑल्सो अ मॉन्यूमेंट. द कुतुब मीनार इज ओके एंड चारमीनार. दीज ऑल आर मॉन्यूमेंट्स. Okay, likewise India Gate is also a monument. What is Tuesday? Number 9 is Tuesday. Tuesday is a day. D-A-Y, day. Indonesia. What is Indonesia? Indonesia is a country. Like India is a country, Nepal is a country, Bangladesh is a country, Sri Lanka is a country. Likewise, Indonesia is also a country. So, class 2, note it down fast. I have to give you homework also, isn't it? So, this proper exercise is your homework of the day. B exercise of page number 17 is your homework. Exercise B, page number 17 from your grammar book is your homework. Again I am repeating. Exercise B from page number 17, chapter 3 grammar book is your homework. What you need to do? Now itself you have written it in the book. आपने अभी book में लिखा है. The same you have to copy in the homework notebook. You will put today's date and what you will do? You will rewrite the same thing in your homework notebook. Again I am repeating. Exercise B, page number 17 from your grammar book, chapter number 3. Okay? Now let us move to the next exercise. Next exercise is on page number 18. Next exercise is on page number 18. So class 2, take out the next exercise. Exercise C from page number 18. From page number 18, exercise C. Here there are 10 sentences. How many sentences are there? There are 10 sentences. This exercise is really a very good exercise. You will be able to know common noun and proper noun at the same time. ये sentences की help से आप एक ही समय में common noun and proper noun को differentiate करना सीखोगे, ठीक है? और आपके और भी अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा that what is the difference between common noun and proper noun. Okay, so I will write it and I will read it. जब हम reading करेंगे, लिखते लिखते, तभी हमको बहुत सारे words अपने आप समझ में आ जाएंगे. Specific words जो है we can understand. So in exercise C, what you need to do? The question is, the command is, underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. जो common nouns होंगे, common nouns and proper nouns. In these sentences, we have to find out the common noun and the proper nouns. And what is the difference? Common noun को आप underline करेंगे, whereas you need to encircle the proper nouns. Okay, and how many sentences are there? There are 10 sentences, but I will do only 5 today. The rest 5 we will do it in the next class. Okay? Number 1. Number 1 is Zuzu. Zuzu is a name. It seems is a name. Is our rabbit. Zuzu is our rabbit. So there are 2 nouns. सबसे पहले हम noun सर्च करेंगे, उसके बाद उसको कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर में डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, देयर आर 2 nouns. The first is Zuzu and the second one is rabbit. Because Zuzu is a special name, so it is a proper noun, and rabbit is a common name, so it is a common noun. And in question also, it has been said that common noun को underline करना है and proper noun को circle करना है. Now the next question, number 2. Number 2 is the Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. The Victoria Memorial, it is the famous building of West Bengal, is in Kolkata. Kolkata. Class 2, listen carefully. In your notes, I think Kolkata has not been marked. Okay, so please make it, correct it. Here there are 2 nouns. The first one is the Victoria Memorial and the second one is Kolkata. And both the nouns are proper noun. So we need to circle both the nouns, the Victoria Memorial and Kolkata. In your notes, Kolkata has not been marked. It is missed. So correct it now itself. Number 3. Sentence number 3. Sentence number 3 is Veena and Rashi. Both are names. Veena and Rashi. Veena is a girl and Rashi is also a girl. Veena and Rashi are playing chess. but here chess is a common noun, so I am underlining it. And the question also it is asked, it is said that you have to encircle the proper noun, whereas you have to underline the common noun. Okay? 2 more questions I will do. After that I will close my class. Now the next question is number 4. Sentence number 4 is Apoorv likes to eat papayas. Apoorv likes to eat papayas. अपूर्व को पपाया खाना पसंद है. Here there are 2 nouns. Okay? कभी भी ऐसा इस टाइप का कोई भी क्वेश्चन आने से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू फाइंड द नेमिंग वर्ड्स. पहले नेमिंग वर्ड्स को फाइंड आउट कीजिए, उसके बाद फिर ये कॉमन है या प्रॉपर है उसको समझकर मार्किंग करनी है. There are 2 naming words here, Apurva and papaya. Where Apurva is a special name because it's a name of a man or boy, and papaya is a common noun, so papaya is underlined here. Now number 5. Shall I write number 5 here itself? यही लिख दूं क्या? You will be able to see it from here. Let me try. Number 5 is Venice is one of the most beautiful cities in Italy. Venice is one of the most beautiful cities in Italy. Italy is a country. Italy is a country in which Venice is a city and it is very beautiful. So here in sentence number 5, Venice is one of the most beautiful cities of Italy. Here there are 3 nouns: Venice, city and Italy, in which Venice is the proper noun because it is the name of the city, and Italy is a special noun because it is the name of the country, and cities is a common noun. The word cities is a common noun. Okay, so class 2, this was your class for the day in which we have done 2.5 exercise today. And what did we do today? We have done exercise A and exercise B from page number 17, and we have done 5 sentences from exercise C. And from page number 17, B exercise is your homework that you have to do it in your homework notebook. So class 2, that's all for today.